In this video, I'm going to go over market capitalization, market cap. Understanding the company's market cap will reveal the company's size and can provide an indication on how it performs in the market. Usually, the bigger the market cap, the bigger the company, or the greater the company's worth. To work out a company's market cap, you need to multiply the current share price by the total number of outstanding shares. Example, if a company issues 1 million shares and they are trading at $50 a share, its market cap will be 50 million. The formula for this is the price of shares times the number of shares available equals market cap. There are 3 market cap categories in total: small caps, mid caps, and large caps. Let's look at each cap category. Small caps. These are companies with a market value of 3 billion or less. These companies are usually young companies or in emerging markets. They can be high risk as they're not established as bigger companies. They haven't reached their full potential. However, with large risks comes large rewards. So, if the company is successful, you can actually capitalize from the growth of this company, but beware, there can be large risks associated to small cap companies. Mid caps. These are companies worth between $3 billion and $10 billion. These are usually established companies that are expecting more growth. They carry less risk than small caps as they're much bigger. Large caps. These are companies worth more than $10 billion. They are well established and usually market leaders within their space. They are less risky than small caps and mid caps. The growth of these companies are usually steady and with good potential to maintain their position. We had a brief look at all market cap sizes: small caps, mid caps, and large caps. The strategies that we will go through in this course can be applied to all cap sizes. If this is your first time investing on the stock market, starting off with large caps will be ideal. It will help reduce the chances of unexpected change in the stock prices and can reduce risks.